Welcome. You are in the right place. This course was built for one reason. Every Scrum course out there uses software examples, code, sprints, about building apps, backlog full of bug fixes. If your job is in marketing, HR operations, healthcare, government, none of it lands. That ends here. I've worked with marketing teams, HR departments, and government agencies making this exact transition. And I built this course from what they needed, not what textbooks say. In the next 2 hours, you will know exactly what to say in sprint planning, how to answer in a stand-up meeting, how to tell when your team is doing Scrum wrong, and so much more. Here is how we get there. 6 short modules, each one builds on the last. Who sets the priorities? Who removes your blockers? What is expected of you? And what to say in every meeting. You will learn how to write user stories, set up a board, and organize your work in a way your team can actually follow. Then you will watch a real non-technical team run a full sprint from day 1 to day 10, including what happens when things go wrong. And you will get ready-to-use templates. So Monday morning, you are not starting from scratch. Being great at your job, but feeling lost in this meeting is exhausting. And that stops here. Before we begin, I want you to do one thing. On a scale 1 to 10, how confident do you feel right now walking into your next Scrum meeting? 1 means you would rather call in sick, and 10 means you could run the meeting yourself. Pick your number, write it down, and keep it somewhere you can see it. You can use comment section if you like. We are coming back to that number at the very end of this course, and the gap between where you are now and where you will be, that is what you are about to build. Let's get started.